Welcome to the channel. Like, subscribe and be sure to leave your comment. This is a special character for BOOSTY and Patreon. Such characters appear there once a month. You can vote for the next character that will appear exclusively on BOOSTY and Patreon, as well as in all stores. All options are available to our subscribers, as well as there is a store selling unique skins for already released characters. Scan the barcode on the screen and become our subscribers. If you have any problems, you can always write to us in the Discord on Contact or on Patreon.